One of the basic functions of an E6B is the ability to find time and distance. Let's start with finding time. Begin by moving the speed index to the speed. We'll use 120 miles per hour. And we want to figure out how long will it take to go 140 miles. Move over to the 14, which is 140. Look below that is 70, that's 70 minutes. And below that, the equivalent, 1 hour and 10 minutes. Let's try another example. The aircraft's ground speed is 95 knots. Move the speed index to 95. And let's say the aircraft is going to travel 160 miles. How long will that take? Next, find 160 on the outer scale. Then look below that. That would be 100 minutes. And below that would be 1 hour and 40 minutes. Last of all, using this same method, if time can be found, distance can also be found. So let's figure a distance problem. The first step is set our speed. Put the speed indexer at, let's use 120 on this example. Find the time in minutes on the middle scale, which is 40, and see how far we would travel in 40 minutes. We look above that and we see 80. We would go 80 miles. And how far could we travel in 7 hours? Move around to 7 hours on the C scale. Here would be 800 miles. Here would be 900 miles. We're just before the middle, so we're looking at about 845 nautical miles. And that is how time and distance are found using an E6B. Thanks for watching.